Alright, so this one's called the Copenhagen, and we're going to grab a box or a chair or a bench. This one's actually really perfect because there's room underneath it. So if you can find something where you can move the leg underneath, it's perfect. But if a box is okay as well, you just have to move the leg to the side. So I'll show you the different variations of it. So one of the harder variations is to hold a side plank, and the foot's right on the edge, and we're either doing reps or doing a hold here. So in this exercise, we're building really solid strength through our adductors, isometrically or dynamically moving in and out of it. So to progress this one, or to start, you want to have as much of your leg on here as possible. This is going to make it easier. So my knee's on, my foot's on, I'm going to hold the side plank, and my foot's going to be on the ground underneath the other foot. So I'm holding here in this side plank. This might be enough for some of you. And then as we progress, or this feels okay, we start to lift that leg up, so dynamically moving in and out, or doing a hold at the top. So building that strength in that top leg, you'll feel it working immediately. As you progress, or as it feels a bit better, you can start to move this foot further this way, eventually getting it right to the edge like this. So I'm just supporting on the foot, and this is the hardest variation here, moving in and out of it, and then holding that side plank position, moving in and out, or doing some static holds. Make sure you do both sides, and try to find something that's quite soft, so it's kind on your knee, on your leg, and on your foot as well. So that's Copenhagen.